Alright, got some, it wasn't my install, but we got some gnarly scratches on the metal on this Backsplash. A couple spots right there, and somebody else did the install, but did a couple spots right here.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, there's actually just tons of scratches. It's probably just going to need to be replaced, but I just want to experiment a little bit with a piece of emery cloth sandpaper, and this has these swirls in it. So what I thought I'd check is if I could just mimic the swirl. Try to at least make the scratches better. Yeah, that did work on that one. Even sanded that worked. So here's some more. Just sand them out and try to mimic the deal. It's not going to be perfect, but I've also got like grout that's on there, but I think sanding it does enough here. You know, do that or have someone, you know, or have the whole tile replaced. Again, this was not my job. Somebody else did it. I already noted it that I need to redo it. But I thought I'd see what I can do, just as a quick deal. So let's see it work. No, perfect.
Yeah, I need to get those top edges a bit better.
That's a little better.
Yeah, and clean up the grout
All
lines.
right. Let's see what else we got. All right. They had also tiled over the electrical outlet, so I had the company come back and cut it out better so that I can actually fit the correct covers over the deal. So to pull this out, because it needs to come out, you know, quite a ways to seat better. So I'll try to use the screw here and see if I can get it started and pull this out a bit more. It's a little tricky, to say the least. Got that one started. Got grout all over the outlet itself. This was a rough one, or still is a rough one, I should say. There we go. All right, it's much better. I don't know if I can get the grout off of the deal. All right. A little better. Okay. That was most of my scratches. I see another one here. But yeah, that worked. In a pinch. All right.
Definitely had a ways more to go on this one, and this wasn't perfect, but just giving you the general idea. I had more repairs to do. The grout needed to be cleaned up, and it also needed to be sealed. Really, I need to have the company come back and redo the whole thing. But I thought it was worth showing how to take off scratches, just in case you had some metal tiles that got scratched. It's probably a rare one, but things happen. On this one, it looks like they didn't have the correct tools. Probably scratched it with putty knives or something, and looks like they also didn't have the correct grout tools to float the grout in properly. But that's it for now. See you on the next one. A quick search in my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, links to the tools and parts used in the videos are in the description below.